Okay, this is a Marvel number 8 Mark II vertical bandsaw, serial number 825454-W, new in 1989. It is a high column machine, so it's an 18 by 28 high, 18 by 17 at the 45 degree. It's got vices. Oh, by the way, this is the coolant system here and some of the guarding. It's got vice. See that? Those are all your buttons and controls. Your table, which by the way, the table size is 24¼ by 33. Angel's gonna run it for you. Variable speed. The variable speed is up to 450 FPM. Pretty quiet. You're slowing down the speed. You hit the feed over there.
Giving the head in.
Vice, yep. Yep. Blade guide, yep. And he's going to do the tilting. Fantastic. Yep. Okay, I think you've seen everything you need to see. Where's the serial number on this machine? I forgot. Right. We'll walk around the back. Yep, yep. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry about this. I hope it's not making you dizzy. There we go. All right, thank you for watching the video.